I hope all of you have done up to question number 10, this exercise 6.3. Today we will start from question number 11. Today also from question number 11 to 15 I will explain 2 questions, remaining 3 you will try yourself. So firstly I am explaining question number 11. In question number 11 the system is 2x plus y greater than is equal to 4, x plus y less than is equal to 3, 2x minus 3y less than equal to 6. 3 linear inequalities given to you. Firstly, we will make table for first, then you will plot the points, then you will draw second table, second points, third table, third points. Firstly, for first linear inequality, if you are taking x equal to 0, then what will be the value of y? 4. If you are taking y equal to 0, then value of x is 2. So firstly we will plot these points. You can use different colors of pens here, different colors of pencil colors, so that you can find out common region very easily. First point is 0 and value of y is 4, this point. x2 and y0 means this point, and when you join these 2 points, this is the line. Here also equal to sign is given to you, that's why you will highlight this line. Now for shaded region, if you put origin coordinates here 0 0, then you will get 0 is greater than equals to 4. This result is false, that's why you will shade the region away from the origin. This region you will take. So firstly we have taken first linear inequality, then table, then point of this table, and then shaded region. Means this linear inequality is completed. Now we will come on second linear inequality. Firstly we will make a table, means we will find out 2 points. If you are taking x equal to 0, value of y is 3. If value of y is 0, then x will be 3. So plot these 2 points. This is x3 and y0. This is x0 and y3. And when you will join these 2 points by straight line, this is the graph. This line is straight. Now for shaded region here, you put 0 0 in place of x and y, then you will get 0 is less than equal to 3. This result is true, that's why you will shade this region. Shaded region will be towards the origin. So this second linear inequality is also completed. Till now if you see in these 2 linear inequality, this is the common region. But we have to find the solution of 3 linear inequalities. So we will plot graph for third linear inequality also on the same graph. Here if you are taking y is equal to 0, then value of x will be 3. And if you are taking x is equal to 0, then value of y will be minus 2. Now first point x3 and y0. x3 and y0 means this point. Second is x0 and y minus 2. Y is negative in downward direction, so this point. And when you will join these 2 points, this is the line. Now shaded region, if you put x and y 0 0 here, then you will get 0 less than equal to 6. This result is true. True means you will shade the region towards the origin, this upward region. So in these 3 linear inequality, this small triangle is common. So this is the shaded region, or you can say this is the solution. This region is a solution for this system of linear inequality. So now I will explain one more question. After that this exercise is completed, and today's work is question number 11 to 15. Now I will explain last question of this exercise, and this exercise is most important from examination point of view. Definitely one question will come from this exercise. So do each and every sum of this exercise. Now last question of this exercise. Firstly I will write down the statement. System is x plus 2y less than is equals to 10, x plus y greater than equals to 1, x minus y less than equals to 0, and x is greater than equal to 0 and y greater than equal to 0. 5 linear inequality is given to you. So firstly we will draw the graph for these 2 linear inequality. For x greater than equals to 0, y axis, and this is the shaded region, this direction. And for y greater than equal to 0, x axis, and this arrow represents the shaded region of this line. So these are the 2 lines we have drawn from these 2 linear inequalities. Now take this third one. Here also if you shift this minus y on this side, it becomes x less than equals to y. So value of x and y will be same here. If you are taking x is equal to 1, then value of y also will be 1. If you are taking x 0, then y also will be 0, means this line passes through origin. Here equal to sign is given in all the cases, that's why you will draw the dark lines in all the cases. And here if you put coordinates of this point, listen very carefully, if any line passes through origin, in that case for checking this result true or false, you will take point other than origin, or you can say you will take the point which does not lies on this line. So here I am taking this point, coordinates of this point will be 1, 0. So if here I am putting x is equal to 1, y is equal to 0, then I will get 1 is less than equal to 0. This result is false. False means I will shade the region away from this point. Away from this point means upward direction. So this is the solution for this third linear inequality. Now see this second one. If here you take x is equal to 0, then value of y will be 1. If you are taking y is equal to 0, then value of x will be 1. So x 0 and y 1, or y 0 x 1, these are the 2 points. This is the line. This line does not passes through origin, that's why you can put here origin. If you put here 0 0, then it gives you 0 greater than equals to 1. This result is again false. False means you will shade the region away from the origin. Away from the origin means this is the region. Clear? Now this first linear inequality, if you are taking x is equal to 0, then value of y will be 5. If you are taking y is equal to 0, then value of x will be 10. So x 10, this is 5, 6, 7, 8, any points you can take. This is the one point, and x 0, y 5, this is 4 and this is 5, this is the second point. And now if you put 0 0 here, then you will get 0 less than equals to 10. This result is true, so you will shade the region towards the origin, means this region. Now total 5 lines are there. One is x axis and y axis. This is the third line, this is fourth line, this is fifth line. And if in all the 5 lines you see shaded region, common region, so this region will be common in all the 5 lines. So this is the solution of given linear system of linear inequality. So this is question number 15. I hope all of you understood this exercise. Again I am saying that this is most important exercise from examination point of view. Definitely one long questions will come from this exercise. So all of you will complete this exercise. Thank you.